Hello traders, welcome back to our channel. Before checking tomorrow's level, let's check what happened in today's market. Nifty opened below this level and took resistance in morning time. Nifty tried to move downside, but couldn't break today's low. It took support and moved to upside, and also broke our resistance, and moved to 17,240 level. Nifty started to fall from this level, but couldn't break today's low. It's again took support and moved to upside. Hope you catched a decent point from this level. Without wasting any time, let's check tomorrow's level. If Nifty open above this level, you can utilize buying opportunity. If it's moved to downside, 17,253 level will act as a support. If Nifty reversing from this level, you can utilize buying opportunity, and you can expect a upside move to 17,330 level. Wait to break this level to utilize short selling opportunity. If it's break this level, you can expect a downside move to 17,199 level. If it's break this level, you can expect more selling pressure in Nifty. If Nifty opened below this level, wait to break this level to utilize buying opportunity. You can utilize short selling opportunity if Nifty reversing from this level, and you can expect a downside move to this level. If it's reversing, you can utilize buying opportunity at this level. If Nifty break this level in 15 minutes, you can expect a downside move to 17,100 level. If Nifty open as a huge gap up and below this level, wait to break this level to utilize buying opportunity. If Nifty reversing from this level, you can utilize short selling opportunity, and you can expect a downside move to 17,253 level. If Nifty break this level in 15 minutes time frame, you can expect a upside move to 17,425 level. If Nifty holding this level, you can book your profit. That's it for today's video. See you in next video.